Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Khan and I am the student of Jinnah University. Today I am discussing about personality, its concept and types. Personality. The word personality comes from Latin word persona. The ancient word, a persona was a mask worn by an actor. While we tend to think of a mask as being worn to conceal one's identity, the theoretical mask was originally used to either represent or project a specific personality trait of a character. Definition of a personality. Guilford defines personality as an individual's unique pattern traits. Now we discuss about concept of personality. Personality is a mirror of what you do and say. Essentially, your personality defines who are you. Your behavior reflects your personality and informs how different you are from others. पर्सनैलिटी क्या है? पर्सनैलिटी एक शख्सियत है. हर इंडिविजुअल, हर इंसान की पर्सनैलिटी अलग हो सकती है. किसी के अंदर टॉलरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, किसी के अंदर अलग स्किल्स होती हैं, किसी का मुशाहिदा बहुत अलग होता है, कोई सेल्फ इमेजिनेशन पे बिलीव करता है, किसी के सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट्स अलग होते हैं और सबकी पर्सनैलिटी उनकी बिहेवियर को रिफ्लेक्ट करती है. अपनी पर्सनैलिटी से ही वो बताते हैं कि वो कैसे हैं, उनका बिहेवियर कैसा है और वो फर्दर लोगों से कैसे इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. Types of personality. There are so many types of personality, but today we are discussing only 5 types of personality. Introvert personality. An introvert is a person with qualities of a personality type known as introversion, which means that they feel more comfortable focusing on their inner thoughts and ideas rather than what's happening externally. Number 2, external introvert personality. Introverts are often described as happy, positive, cheerful, and sociable. They are not as likely to dwell on problems or ponder difficulties. Number 3, artistic personality. Artistic people are usually creative, open, attentive, original, perspective, sensitive, independent, and emotional. They do not like structure and rules, like tasks involving people or physical skills. They are more likely to express their emotions than others. Number 4, neuroticism. Neuroticism is a personality trait characterized by sadness, moodiness, and emotional instability. Individuals who are high in neuroticism tend to experience mood swings, anxiety, irritability, and sadness. Number 5, social personality. People with a social personality yield satisfaction from interacting with other people. They enjoy company of other people, talking, spending time with special ones, and also closeness with them. Social people are not only enjoy other people's company, but they also help others in their hard times. Now I am concluding my topic. Human personality is a complex area of study. Not only is human nature complex, but also each individual has a unique combination of inherent abilities and preferences and learned responses. Beyond that, any researchers of personality also have certain personalities which requires them to bare their soul in order to understand themselves and others. अगर सिंपल वर्डिंग में कहा जाए तो पर्सनैलिटी एक इंडिविजुअल शख्सियत है जिस पे हमें अपने ऊपर काम करना चाहिए कि हम अपनी शख्सियत को ऐसा बनाएं कि हम दूसरे को भी टॉलरेट कर सकें. उसकी पर्सनैलिटी के हिसाब से उसको जज ना कर लिया जाए फ़ौरन कि वो ऐसा है या वैसा है. हमें उससे पहले समझना चाहिए, अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए और हमें अपनी पर्सनैलिटी भी ऐसी बनानी चाहिए कि दूसरा हमें ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड कर सके और उस हिसाब से फिर अपने रूल्स रेगुलेशंस हो गए या कोई भी चीज़ हो गई वो उस हिसाब से सेट कर सके. थैंक यू. आई होप यू लाइक इट and share this video with others.